Hi, so now let's start fixing the issues in our project. So first of all, let's make sure our server is running and let's navigate to our project. So now when we try to open only one movie, we use the ID. And I don't wanna use this actually because in real life we didn't use IDs. We use something called Slug or the movie name. So this is Spider-Man Homecoming. So we're gonna see in the link slash movies slash Spider-Man Homecoming. Okay, so to fix this, let's open our code. Yeah, and let's open the models. And for the movie, we need to add a new field in our database called slug. So we can say slug equal to models.slug field, and this slug field will take blank and null equal to true. So now we've added the slug to this model. So let's save this and let's make migration by some manager by make migrations. I've got an error, no such column movie slug. What's wrong with this? So we've got the same error. We just added this field to the database, so we should be able to apply this migrations to our database. I don't know what is wrong in here, so let's review our code. Okay, let's do something else. Let's talk about slug actually. So what is slug? Actually, the slug is it's like a core field, short field, and this short field will take its value from another field. So this slug field will have a value every time we create a movie from the title. So we need to slugify the title. So here we need to import the slugify tool. So we're gonna say from Django.utils dot text import slugify. So it's actually small. Yeah. So we're gonna use this tool to enable us to add a value to this slug. So now we need to override the save function. How are we gonna do this? So we're gonna say div and we're gonna say save. So before save this movie, we need to add our slug value. So we're gonna say self and args and keyword args. Okay, and here we're gonna say if not slug, if there is no slug, sorry, if there is not self, that's slug. So if there is not slug, there is no slug, we need to add a slug to our, we need to add a data to our slug. So we're gonna say self or slug equal to slugify, our tool that we've imported from Django, the slugify, and we're gonna say slugify which field we're gonna slugify. So we're gonna slugify the sulfur title. So now this slug field will take its value from that title, and here we're gonna say super, and we're gonna give it the name of the model. Then the self dot save, and this save will take actually args and keyword args. So now we override the save method and enabled the Django to give this slug a value from our title. Okay, so now let's save this and let's try to make migration to our code. I hope it works. We still got the error. I don't know what is this error actually. So let's go up, maybe we find something. So now so it seems that the problem in the URL. So let's open the main URL. And let's comment the moves for now. And here, let's clear the screen. Let's try to make migration, and here we are. I don't know the reason for the problem actually, but when I read the screen, I found that it comes from the URL file. So I've commented this, the movies, and we've added filled slug to our movie. So now we need to migrate. So I'm gonna say Python manage.py migrate. So now, this will create a slug. So let's run our server. And let's uncomment this and save. And the server is running, okay. So let's refresh our page. So it's working. So let's open admin and let's open movies actually. So if we open Spider-Man Homecoming, we're gonna see that we have slug with this Spider-Man Homecoming. So the same name. So let's add a new movie actually. So here I'm gonna add a new movie and let's open the template. So I'm gonna open the loads and I'm gonna search for movies. So this is our template. So let's open the home and let's add a new movie. So here let's add this Beauty and the Beast. So I'm gonna say Beauty and the Beast, and we need to get some dummy data for the movie detail, yeah, just like this. And we're gonna choose an image for this movie. So let's open images and let's copy this to the desktop as we did before. And now let's get the image and let's choose the category to romance and the language English, the status, let's say the top rated, because it's actually a good movie. So we're gonna say, I don't remember this actress name, so we're gonna type this. The year of production, so let's add it 2015. The views and the slug actually is empty. So now let's hit save. When we hit save, we just in our code we just overrided this save method. So when we hit save, this method will be executed. So it will take the title and will slugify it and will save it in the silver slug. So now let's hit save, and then we have Beauty and the Beast. And if we open this, we're gonna see that we have Beauty and the Beast. This is the slug actually. Okay, so this is awesome. So now let's open our movies and let's change the paginated by 2. So in the list view we need it to be 2, and for this category to be 2, and for the language, for the search, and let's save this. And now let's refresh our site. So now we have 2 movies, and if we press on next, we're gonna see the Beauty and the Beast. Okay, so this is awesome. So let's go to the previous. We have 2 movies, and if we if we choose romance, we should see the Beauty and the Beast. And if we show action, we have John Wick and Spider-Man. And if we show English, we should see both of them, and we have the Beauty and the Beast on the other page. And if we choose here and show this, we will see the Beauty and the Beast. Okay, So now we've added a new movie and we've fixed the slug issue. Okay, so let's open this, and now we've fixed this issue. So let's add a store on this, and let's save it. So now we have some other or some places we have related movies. We have the movie trailer, so we need to add this. So let's open our code. So let's open models. In this movie, we need to add a movie trailer link. So we need to take a char field. So let's move down. Yeah, this is the URL. So we're gonna see the movie trailers equal to, and this is models.url field. Okay, and here let's make migrate because we've changed something in our database. We've got the same error actually. So let's comment the code and our urls.py. So we're gonna comment this line, and let's make migration. So we're trying to add a movie trailer, and this field needs a default value. So we can see we're gonna choose the first one, and we can add the empty string, and let's migrate. And here we are. So now we have a field in our database for the trailer URL. So let's open the admin. So let's open one of those movies, and here we are. We have the movie trailer, and we need to add this trailer actually. So we can go to the YouTube and bring this trailer. So let's do this. So first let's connect it to the internet. Wait a minute. So now let's try to open YouTube. It's not working. Okay, so I'm gonna take, because I'm facing some issues on the internet right now. So I'm gonna take where is the movie detail. So this is the movie detail. So let's move down. So we have a link actually for the running trailer. So I'm gonna take this, copy, and in our admin we're gonna add this, and let's hit save. So now we've added a trailer. Also on the June week we will add a trailer, the movie trailer. So let's hit save. And for Spider-Man Homecoming we're gonna also add a trailer, and let's hit save. Okay, so now we need to replace the values in our movie detail with the movie trailer. So we're gonna remove this, and we're gonna say object dot, and we need to get the value from the models, which is movie trailer. So I'm gonna say object dot movie trailer. So let's save this, and let's refresh our page. So let's open this, Beauty and the Beast. So I'm gonna open the movie number 3, and we have the trailers, but this actually needs an internet to be shown in here. So when we connected the internet, we're gonna find it. And now we have something else left. We added the slug, but we did not edit in the URL. So we need to fix this. So let's open our view. So this is our URL, and this is our view actually. So now we're using class-based views, and the class-based views will detect our slug when we give this slug in the URL. So let's add the slug in the detail view. So this is our detail view. Where is the detail? Yes, this is the detail. So here we're gonna see that this is a slug, and this is slug with the name of, so let's just say slug. So now when we give it a slug, it should work. So let's open Beauty and the Beast. Let's copy this slug. So let's go to the all movies, and now let's add this after the URL, and let's hit enter. So now we got Beauty and the Beast. So now we've added Slug. So the only thing left that we add a link in the list view to enable us to open the detailed view. So now let's open our movie list, and here let's move down. So let's go up, and yeah, this is the link actually. So we need to add the link in here. So we're gonna say URL, and we're gonna give it the first name or the namespace name. So let's open the main URL. So this is movies, and the other URL or the URL in our movie app. So we're gonna say movie detail, and we need to give it the slug. So here we're gonna say object.slug. So this is movie.slug. Okay, and now let's refresh. And now when we press on the John Wick, and we've got the John Wick page, and then in the URL we can see that we have /movie/John Wick. And let's go to home. When we press on Spider-Man Homecoming, so we can see that we have Spider-Man Homecoming, and this is Spider-Man Homecoming. Also for the Beauty and the Beast, the same. So we have Beauty and the Beast. So everything's working fine. Okay, so this is awesome. So now we've added the slug, and we've also added the movie trailer. So in the next video we will continue fixing some issues in our project, and see you next video.